Salute to 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with RajahWild. RajahWild with a music video called 100 Mile. 100 Mile by RajahWild. I can jump in one now when I waste some time. I jump in one and I say, let's go. Rock that.
Oh, sissy, I can't jump on a plane for the pussy then. Cause any woman there, they say you for them.
Anyway, you tall, you them, we jump on a plane for the pussy there. Maybe buy a first class ticket, because you know, some star man not travel in a back a plane beside toilet. No, up with the up front with the. Yeah, we will travel 100 miles for the pussy. Anyway, you there, me I come far.
Jump on a plane for the pussy then.
Yeah.
Cause any woman there, they say you for them. Me take your pussy from me like say I'm a putty there.
Give me this. Feel me this. Take your pussy from your legs, yeah, me put it there. Boss!
Woman there, they say you for them. Me take your pussy from me like say I'm a putty there. And if you ever fuck your man again, he pussy dead, my champ.
Even though me a side man, me a tell you, hey girl, if you ever fuck your man again, you say, problem. What me say? Problem. Right that. Pull up a song. Pull it up.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, sissy, I can't jump on a plane for the pussy then. Cause any woman there, they say you for them. Me take your pussy from me like say I'm a putty then. And if you ever fuck your man again, he pussy dead. Me
that.
A little gozo spell.
If you ever fuck a man again, you pussy dead, me chant a little gozo spell, you know. Over man, me I go sprinkle some bumbuckler island powder for your girl. Hey girl, whole island powder under your bumbuckler. You have a big store beside your pussy dead. Nobody want that pussy think. Hey Rajah, you're dirty boy, yeah?
Cause any woman there, they say you for them. Me take your pussy from me like say I'm a putty then.
Yeah.
And if you ever fuck your man again, he pussy dead. Me chant a little gozo spell. Me know say if I know me out of there, I could live. Me know if me give you my all way, that do to me. Me know still love where you want, but me not used to this.
Me know what you want in a baby, but here, me not used to it. The love what you want, me not used to it. Me can't get up, but guess what? I'm still a fuck you.
Yeah, my all way, that do to me. Me know still love where you want, but me not used to this. Cause me not Romeo and you're not fucking Juliet.
Know that. Me not Romeo. And you're not Juliet. No, sir.
I'm gonna drive 100 more miles, ensure you're good. I know you're good.
We don't drive 100 miles just for insurance you're good, just to make sure you're good. You don't know.
Drive 100 more miles, ensure you're good. I know you're good. Some gonna drive 100 miles just to spend some time with you.
Him say 100 mile all. Him say 100 mile just for insurance you're good. All when me know say you're good. You're not gonna check if she good if you know say she good. Then I fuck you, I go fuck.
I'm with you 100 more miles, ensure you're good. I know you're good, girl. Yeah. I am for sure my love, girl. I know I'm rough, but I'm a tour country for hold it down. I'm gonna know.
When me go on tour, you have to hold it down. Hey, remember say artists get the most money out there, you know? Remember say me have an artist friend in a dog and enough thing him tell me, you know. Artists get the most money out there. That me at.
Girl, I know I'm rough, but I'm a tour country.
Hey!
I'm gonna know when I love, because I'm a girl without the amount I wear my fuck. You got the trophy from I am.
Man say me no know love coming no grow with none. He say yo that it means that he no grow with no love. And him I be a worry him fuck himself. No. I worry me fuck. Yeah.
I am a know I'm young, but me assure you love no gear. This a feeling. Oh my God, baby, I only joke. Might not good with words, but me know for fuck. How I mean I am me glum, I assure for come 100 miles just to spend some time with you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive 100 more miles, ensure you're good. I'm know you're good.
Bumbuckler, boss, I open door for you. Open door for you, my boss, as a gentleman. Yo. I love song this, you know. Hear the love song, hear the love song.
100 more miles, feeling sure you're good. I'ma know you're good. Me say more that drive 100 miles, just to spend some time with you. I'm gonna drive 100 more miles, feeling sure you're good. I'ma know you're good. Lean for the pussy there. Cause I know I'm there, so you feel that.
No, that.
Take a pussy from me like say I'm a booty there.
Give me this.
And if you ever fuck your man again, the pussy dead. Me chant a little good to spell. Me know say if I know me hard, they are good hell. Me know if me give you all what you that do to me. Me know say love for what you want, but me not used to this. Cause me not roll me, you and you're no fucking Juliet. 100 miles just to spend some time with you. Yeah, I'm gonna drive 100 more miles. Feeling sure you're good, I'ma know you're good. Me some more that drive 100 miles just to spend some time with you. 100 more miles. Feeling sure you're good, I'ma know you're good, girl. Sinful. Right back on night time, no man lie.
Right back on night time, man. Pharmacy Records, big up. 9 Mile Visuals, directed by them. Big up yourself, 9 Mile Visuals. Yo, these are the love songs of nowadays. Boss, I tell you straight, hey girl, if you ever give the pussy to your man, you see, remember I know she have a man, you know. If you ever give the pussy to your man, you see, remember me tell you something, work a little gozo spell pan it, you see it? A little gozo spell make one big worm come on your pum pum, man. No man, no one that again, you see me? I mean, I go drive 100 more miles. When me know say you're good, me say I go drive 100 more miles for ensure say you're good. No, fuck me, I go come fuck you again. Hinna your miggle, in the 9 months time. You know what I think go? Yeah. Rajah, big up yourself. Yo, big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. Song bad, my fam. Song bad. Guys, listen, I'm going to leave the one I said. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more from you, G. Please leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.